This question may have crossed your mind: why aren't my YouTube videos getting any views? Well, guess what? The answer often lies in the first 3 seconds of your video. Yep, just 3 seconds. You see, YouTube is packed with millions of videos competing for attention. People's attention spans are super short these days, so if you don't grab them right from the start, they're clicking away faster than you can say, subscribe. So the question is, what will you do in those 3 seconds? All right, let's break this down. Why are those first 3 seconds so crucial? It's like the trailer before a movie. If it doesn't hook you, you're not sticking around for the main event. That's where a killer hook comes in. It's like a sneak peek that's so intriguing, viewers just have to see what happens next. Now, what is a hook? A piece of metal or other hard material curved or bent back at an angle for catching hold of or hanging things on. But what it has to do with our YouTube views. So we asked the right question. What is a hook in YouTube video story? And the answer is, a hook in a YouTube video is the opening statement that's designed to grab the viewer's attention and make them stop scrolling. Hooks should be short, usually 5 to 25 seconds long, and should rope the viewer in immediately without letting the effect wear off before the main content. Remember Casey Neistat's epic drone shots? That feeling of adventure and excitement in the first 3 seconds? That's a hook doing its job. Or how about Emma Chamberlain's relatable coffee making routines? It's not just about the coffee, it's about connecting with her audience right off the bat. And let's not forget Merbeast's wild challenges. When you see him setting up something crazy, you're immediately hooked. You just got to see how this madness unfolds. Now, let's talk about crafting your own hooks. It's one thing to recognize a good hook, but how do you create one? Let's find out in some of these examples. Say you're starting a video about healthy eating. You could say, today I'm going to talk about the benefits of eating fruits and vegetables. Not bad, but a bit bland, right? Now, let's turn that into a hook. Ever wondered how adding one simple thing to your diet can change your life? Stick around to find out, see the difference? The hook creates curiosity and anticipation. Or how about sharing travel tips? Instead of saying, I've been to many countries and want to share some travel advice, try this. I've discovered travel hacks that airlines don't want you to know about. Intriguing, right? It piques interest and makes people want to hear more. So whether you're starting a YouTube video, writing a blog post, or crafting a social media caption, remember to focus on those first few seconds and use a hook that's catchy, relevant, and authentic. Ask questions, evoke emotion, or promise value, whatever you do, make it irresistible. Now, since you know how to add hooks in your videos, now let's do the one last but the most interesting thing. And that is subscribing the channel. Well, folks, if you still haven't done it yet, ask yourselves why. All right, that's it for today's video. I hope these tips and examples help you understand the power of hooks and how to use them effectively in your content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on content creation and audience engagement. Also share hooks you use the most in the comments. If you want to know more tips on effective prompt writing, watch this video. Or if you are interested in generating text to video, check this video. Until next time, keep crafting those irresistible hooks.